Hi, Us. Welcome to our channel. This is Bitla with you for giving you motivational speech for getting success. Yes, we are coming to the letter J, alphabet J, alphabetical letter J. So that here we are going to see the three J's, how these three J's are going to give you great success, along with up to H, I, now J. So that how these are going to give you great success. Success is that where our mind thinks and we act and we proceed for it and move for it and get it. That's only the journey. That's only the journey, right? So that here J is a journey. Always one person has to think that here it is a destination. Success has no any destination. Success has only journey. You have to go on travel for some miles together before you sleep, miles together. So because there is no any stop for success. So that journey, success is a journey. It is not a destination. Destination ends, but success does not end somewhere else. So that you feel that it is a journey and move on, not stopping anywhere. And the other J is jot down. Jot down always the ideas. The today's ideas are tomorrow's innovations. Okay, today's ideas are to tomorrow's innovations. When that idea is very new, when the person go for it, innovate something else, that is you. So jot down every new idea and keep along with you a scribbling pad and write down whatever the thoughts you get it. So especially technological students, you will have different thoughts. You think differently about every technology. You go on adding different features to the existing technology also. So when you think that here, go on adding right different features to the existing technology, so that the ideas what you get, you jot down on a scribbling pad or some other pad, definitely you are going to get it. The thing is here how you are going on, how you are moving on for that. So that the words and the thoughts, the sentences what you get, just you write on a scribbling pad or a diary or a book and keep with you. One day the time comes that becomes innovation. So innovation is that here the thoughts which you get that here and treasure them, and that becomes an innovation. So that you're jotting down, writing the words and writing the sentences in your own form and the thoughts, so that definitely success comes to you with these new ideas. New ideas going to become innovations tomorrow. So the other one is, so one is journey, and you have to jot down everything and jog for an hour, jog for an hour, jog for an hour. Why we have to jog for an hour? Metabolic rates to increase your, the mind cells must be positive. That when they are going to be positive, you are going to take every step right, because your thoughts will be positive. Your thoughts definitely will be right for your path. So you understand that here. So jog for for an hour. That's very important. When you jog for an hour, that is a life for anyone. Definitely you are going to reach the success, because when you jog you sweat. When you sweat, you metabolic rate will be right developed. When it is developed, your thoughts will be very clear and right. When your thoughts are clear, your actions are clear. When your actions are clear and successful, that's success. So that every definitely you have to sweat for 1 hour. That's what jog. No need to go for any gym, no need to go for any other kind of right mm, sophisticated gyms and somewhere. Just you jog for 1 hour, at least 5 kilometers. However, depends on your strength. So that that strength gives you strength, increases further, and find out that here how you are going to move forward. So success comes through right sweating also. So that is one kind of what you feel about. Definitely one has to jog every day. The other was be joyful. Joy is very important. When you are very joyful mode, definitely everything will be positive to you. You look at the negative people also as positive. So create your mind joyful, of course, because destiny is there. even the destiny, definitely destiny is there, but the destination what you decide sometimes when you have that firm willpower, definitely that whatever the destiny in you also, definitely that is going to be transformed as your destination. So that things, the joyful moments also important, so that jog at same time jot down, and you feel that it is a journey, and then the thing is that the success is yours. Success is not the simple thing that you're what you feel about, just only it's a journey. Move on that, definitely it comes to you, but only this needs a systematic and disciplined movement. It is not like stationary. It's not, success is not stationary. It is a movement. Move on, move on, move on. So one day definitely everyone gets success, but only thing is here, it takes time. So today some people may be failure, but tomorrow there'll be miraculous successful people. Today who are successful, they may be failures tomorrow. Everything so that is there, the actions, the people, what they do. It's what think positive and follow these 4Js in your life to get a great success. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe, as our the government extended up to 29th. So it is inevitable and pathetic to everyone to stay at home and work hard. Read anything, read any book, whatever you like to. Online books also available. Read just only half an hour, 1 hour every day. Definitely you'll get some ideas and new things to your life. Definitely. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe our channel, share it, like it, and comment. And your comments are very valuable to us to make the videos very powerful. And suggest us if any developments of the channel. My number is 95736 28649. You can message me for any development of this year. I need some technical support from the people. I need to develop the channel further. Thank you so much. Keep watching.